Hi, this week we've got two projects for you. One you'll find in the beginners section, which is a simple petal from the Crazy For You flower, which actually isn't that simple because it's quite a nice patterned little petal and a little bit more detailed than the normal petals we do. And I'm doing it actual size, which is always a little bit of a challenge. And then we've got another tutorial where I show you how I would attack the centre of the rose, which is all of the stamen and how it curls round and makes a nice little nest of detail. And what we've done is we've then painted some of the petals around the edge and given you some tips on how to do a complete rose. So I hope you enjoy both those tutorials. Give them a go and see how you get on. You don't have to be a beginner, you don't have to be advanced, you just have to love roses.